Did you know that there are over 100 life values that a kid must learn? Do you find it difficult to teach or explain life values? Yoguru is a kid friendly mobile app to learn life values through inspiring sports based short video stories, plus a host of fun activities. The activities, without being preachy, allows kids to assimilate the value through fun video games, trivia quizzes, just for laugh cartoon corner. The kid demonstrates his learning through a bunch of do it yourself activities, contests with exciting prizes. Parents can discuss their challenges and successes with other parents through closed discussion forums and much more. Your child will learn over 100 life values through sport based stories and activities. We are doing a short survey to understand your view. Would you please take this 5-minute short survey? Thank you so much. Really appreciate it.